At least 9 people were killed in Kashmir as Indian troops searched for members of an Islamist militant group. They say the group was responsible for a car bomb attack last week. Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman ended his 2-day state visit to Pakistan. The Crown Prince promised $20 billion in deals for Pakistan and the release of more than 2,000 Pakistani prisoners, and Nigerian President Muhammadu Buhari said he ordered authorities to make sure that all Nigerians can vote after the elections were suddenly delayed for 1 week on Saturday.